G'day, welcome to the new office. Well, this is sort of the reception area. There's a lot more back here, so yeah, come through. So this is our boardroom, nice big boardroom. Apologies for the mess, we are still unpacking, just moved in a few days ago. And yeah, you can see all that motivational content, which I might actually keep up from the previous tenants, although there is, one thing that I can see that I might just change. That's better, perfect. All right, let's keep going. So we've got Edit Suite 1 and Edit Suite 2. I mean, look at this breakout space, perfect for a pool table, maybe a table tennis table, I don't know, couches, TV. There's just too many ideas. And this is our production manager, Sammy's office. And here's my office. Look, it's great to have so much natural light. Even got a sea view over there. Look, the blinds are coming because it does get pretty hot, being the middle of summer and all, but I do want to show you the jewel in the crown, which is this way. So I know what you're thinking if you've been on the visual culture journey for the last few years. Look, we do probably change offices more than Australian Prime Ministers, I guess, but this is just the perfect space for what we need and what we've been looking for a long time. This is what we're really excited about, our very own green screen studio, which we can actually convert to a white backdrop, black backdrop, whatever you need. It's even got the soundproofing all around as well. So this is going to be used quite a bit, I can imagine. Look, this place is absolutely perfect for us. And not only that, our clients are going to benefit from more enhanced production capabilities. We're really excited about the future and look forward to sharing our journey with you.